Hey everyone, thanks for watching. So the topic I chose was Netflix engagement. I wanted to know who's watching Netflix, who's canceling Netflix, the people who are watching, what are they watching, where they're watching from, what type of device are they watching on, and how many watch hours are they inputting. So first and foremost, we have here is the data set. The most important columns in this are going to be age, gender, subscription type, watch hours, the region, the type of device, whether they canceled or not. One means yes, they churned, aka canceled, and then zero means they still have their membership. What did they pay with to start their membership? And then we have favorite genre. So that's my data set. Let's go ahead and jump right into the um, vises and dashboard and stories. So my first viz I have here is watch hours by age group. So to set this up, I had to create a calculated field. As you can see here, my calculated field breaks it up into age groups of, so we have like 18, 24, 25 to 34, stuff like that. So that's my calculated field. And from that, I was able to determine that 55 plus is the age group that's watching Netflix the most. Makes sense. You're closer to retirement. Watching TV is a good way to spend your retirement, at least some of it. Moving on, we have here genre preference by age group. So I was curious, what is each age group's favorite genre? And how many watch hours are they accumulating from that genre, right? I used the this here swap rows and columns, so that's why these are vertical like this instead of straight up and down. Right here we have churn rate by subscription. So which subscription type is churning the most frequent? And here, as you can see, basic takes this round as the most churned subscription type. Moving on, we have engagement of churned versus the retained users, right? So the darker blue here are those who have churned, aka canceled their subscription, and then the lighter blue are those who currently still have their subscription. As you can see, those who watch Netflix less than 20 hours are those, not less than 20 hours, but as you can see, like 95% of these churned users are all within that less than 20 hours range. Um, so yeah, if you don't watch Netflix, there's no point in keeping your subscription, and this really points that out and really displays that. Um, Moving along here, we have churn count by payment type. We have crypto taking the cake here with the most churned um, based on payment type. Next, we have engagement by subscription and device. So here I wanted to see which devices um, are used the most on the subscriptions, and then obviously which device has standard versus premium or basic, right? So as we can see here, those who watch mobile typically have a standard account, and then those who watch TV have a basic account, and then so forth and so on. Okay, let's move along here. We have favorite genre by region, right? So I wanted to know in each region, um, what is their favorite genre, right? So I have a filter here. So whose favorite genre is comedy? We have here, it's Asia. Asia loves some comedy, right? And then we have here, Africa loves documentary the most. And then we have here, North America likes drama the most. Totally makes sense, right? And then we can just go back to all to show the entire map. Okay, moving on, we have favorite genre and watch hours by region. So I wanted to see, so basically, this one here, this viz here is a more detailed view of it's easy, right? You don't have to filter it. You can just see straight up which region, which is rich each region's favorite genre. So you can see here romance, documentary, sci-fi, drama, comedy, romance, and then you can see the region of which uh, of each region's favorite genre. Okay, and then moving on here, we have my dashboard. So I broke this up into the most common viz, right? So for this viz, we have the favorite genre by region, and then the favorite genre and watch hours by region. So you can filter here. If you go to comedy, you'll see Asia has the most favorite. This comedy is Asia's favorite genre, and then 1,484. I mean, sorry, 1,484 watch hours for that, and then so forth. So you can filter that down here, and then moving down here, I have watch hours by age group, and then the genre preference for each age group, right? So you can also filter here. What is the age group of 18 to 24? So they put in 7,764 watch hours, and then their favorite genre type, as you can see here, is romance, right? And then and so forth. So 25 to 34, they've put in 10,715 watch hours. And then if you look over here at the watch hours, you can tell that their favorite is drama, right? Younger generation liking drama. No surprises there. Okay, so that's my dashboard. I didn't have a filter that um, would filter out the entire dashboard. Oops, I did not mean to. I didn't have a filter that would filter out the entire dashboard just for the simple fact that okay, I don't know how to. Okay, just forget about that. Um, so I didn't add that. I didn't have too many similar visits because I was answering two different questions, or more than different types of questions, I want to say. So, okay, and then we're over here with my stories. So the first story we have is age group 55 plus has the most watch hours of any age group, right? That's my first story. My second one is romance is age groups 55 and older's favorite genre. Just to build off of the most watch hours from that age group. And then here, churn, we can see churn accounts directly correlate to the amount of watch hours a user has, meaning um, if they don't watch as much, they're going to churn. Makes total sense. And then customers with basic subscription packages have the most churned accounts. So I wanted to point that out. And then mobile has the highest engagement among device types. If you add all these up, 3,863, 3,926, and then 4,220, um, they have the most watch hours from any age group. So, and now um, key takeaways from this journey. I would say I wish I had more time to practice, meaning like taking other data sets, breaking them down, and then figuring out what I want my end game to look like. I think that was most important here because as I'm going through this presentation, I I'm thinking of things in my mind like, oh, I wish I would have had pointed out this specific viz and this specific detail of the data set. So just spending more time on it and really thinking through what I want to display to the audience is probably the biggest key takeaway from this entire project. Otherwise, that's been my presentation. Thanks for watching. See you later.